Let's unbox Bosch power tools. Let's see inside what the tool is. As you can see, it is a professional drilling and screwing machine. GSP 501 impact driller. Okay, 500 watts. Let's see inside. Quite a bit heavy, more premium. And this is the user manual. Let's see what else they are given in the information how to use. How to insert a bit front. Will be same as that. How to make this work. Let's see. They are given one bit. You can move to the clockwise or anti-clockwise by switching this switch. In center it is neutral, the button cannot be controlled. This is the locking switch. When you press this and when you pull this and lock, it will be locked. For any kind of impact drill, it will be locked. Or else you want to mix the paint or something, it can be used when you put mixer bit to this one, and it can hold like this and it will mix automatically by locking this system. And on upper, this is like, this side is like for the wall purpose, for high-end impact drill for this switch, and coming to this one for any kind of a screw purpose, to remove screw or screwing of wood material, it can be drilled easily. When coming to this, they are given this like to lock or unscrew or unscrew the bit. sure it is loose, then insert, and easily simple tight by hand, or else you can use this, what they will call, they use this gripper to lock. Gripper and now it's ready. I will show you in this action. I plug it into the switch. Let's see how it works. This is like anti-clockwise. And you switch this clockwise. Okay. Next, in middle, it will never work. When you put this in lock, it will be locked. When you want impact drilling, convert this and it will impact like hard. You can push and drill with these.